Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot use your Google Play Store or any browser in EMPORIA Smart 5. And first let's try to open any website like this, and as you can see our clock is behind. The same is with Google Play Store, as if we try to download something like PUBG. It's stuck in a pending mode. And now to fix these issues we'll need to open our settings. Then right here scroll down to the bottom and enter system, date and time. And now the first setting is use network provided time. Tap on it and then select use network provided time. If you go back to your browser and refresh the page, it will work fine. And the same is with Google Play Store, so we can actually download the games or apps. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.